Fisher Investments is well known for its hands-on, tailored approach to investment management for individuals, families, businesses, and large institutions. They stand out by creating custom portfolios that actually reflect each client's unique goals and circumstances instead of pushing generic strategies. For personal wealth management, Fisher helps high net worth clients map out long-term financial plans. They make sense of the full financial picture, including existing investment products like annuities. They provide transparent, client-focused portfolio management. Their ongoing personalized communication and educational resources make it easier for clients to feel confident and informed about their investing journey. Small businesses get a big boost from Fisher's 401k services. They take much of the headache out of retirement plan management. They offer a well-rounded mix of employee guidance, robust fiduciary support, and plan administration. This helps businesses offer strong retirement options while saving time and reducing risk. On the institutional side, Fisher's process is unique. They take a top-down approach, starting with macroeconomic trends before drilling down to sectors and individual stocks. This method, combined with ESG consideration and global reach, can put institutional clients in a better position to reach their investment objectives. There are some potential cons to keep in mind. Fisher's services are designed for those with $1 million or more to invest, which makes them out of reach for many people. While the fee structure is straightforward, they do better when clients do better. The overall cost can still be notably higher than some do-it-yourself or passive investment options. Summing up, Fisher Investments is a strong partner for those seeking expert guidance and truly personalized investment management. But their services come at a price and generally require a significant level of investable assets. As always, there is risk in any investment, so it's wise to consider whether this kind of hands-on approach is genuinely the best fit for personal or business needs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.